We're gonna go on 3, 2, 1, drop.
Yep.
3, 2, 1, drop.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god! That literally looks like ice. He just drifted on. There's no tracks.
Bro, I'm not kidding.
No kayaking.
That was exhilarating. That was.
Okay, all right, let's level it up, dude. I'm ready.
Let's level it up.
All right, we just got dropped up at the top of this mountain. This run, we've got Kale. How are you feeling?
Dude, I know everything we do in Sickos, everyone's always at the top like, oh my god, I'm so scared.